Hello, in this video I'm going to talk to you about creating notes, journal entries, and pinning items from within a class feed. So if I start off, let me start from the beginning on my Edsby homepage from my demo account. The first thing I need to decide if I'm going to create notes or journal entries is where am I going to put them. So on the left-hand side I have my class menu. I can put them into one of my math classes, or maybe I just want to go straight into my homeroom. So if I click into my homeroom here, I have my class feed. Notes are meant to be general information items. So it could be anything like a field trip reminder. I have an example down here, just a reminder, an older one from several weeks ago about a Halloween dance and donations being asked for. I could create a new note up here right now, and maybe just something like reminder that we are having an author visit tomorrow. Just a little bit of text. I can post it to this class, or if I have a number of different classes that I would like to post it to, I could post it to every single one of my classes so I don't have to type the same note more than once. I can share it. It automatically ends up in my class feed. I could have taken a picture or added a document from my computer to that as well. Anytime you add any of these media items to a note or a journal entry, that media item will be reflected over here within the library. If this is an important piece of information, maybe I want to pin it so it stays, rather than getting buried within the class feed, it could stay over here on the left-hand side as a pinned item. As soon as I hover over that item, I have the option to pin that. And that note that I just added is now pinned over on the left-hand side. If I don't want to pin it, I could simply select unpin, and it's removed as a pinned item. So once again, notes are meant to just be general communication items. Journal items, on the other hand, are meant to be curricular related. They give you the option to have a unit attached to it. You could have a date or a timestamp, and it gives you topics covered and to-do lists. So for example, if I want to create a journal entry and basically mention to students, here's what we have covered in class, here are the topics covered, and here are the next steps, here's what you need to do in relation to the curricular content, that's what I could use a journal entry for. Once again, every time I do that, that gets populated within my class feed. So the class feed is populated by notes, journals, assessments, and calendar events. Those are not topics that we are covering for purposes of this video, just notes and journal items. And so the main things you need to know: what is the purpose of it? Is it curricular related? Is it just a general information item? And where are you going to post it? Is it just going to be in your homeroom, or are you going into one of your subject-specific classes? Things to consider when you are using those items. Hope you enjoyed the video.